High-quality USB cable for camera to computer connection. Download images quickly and conveniently. Easy to connect and use. Shield covering protects from electrical interference. Compatible with Pentax Optio 450, 550, 555, S, S4, 33WR, S40, S4i, 43WR, 750Z, S50, S5i, and X. Pentax has been a leader in the photographic field for many years. Many Pentax innovations have become standards in the industry. Pentax's enthusiasm and devotion towards the development of high-quality products have thrived over the years and continues to be stronger than ever. Primary information cable type, camera synchro cable, USB ConnectionLeft Connector Gender, male-right connector gender, male-left connector type, 4-pin USB Type A UNSPSC code UNSPSC code, 26,121,620 Product IDUPC, 027075072343 Manufacturer part, 39,551. A high-quality USB cable for camera to computer connection, you can download images quickly and conveniently. It is easy to connect and use, and also features a shield covering that protects from electrical interference. This cable is compatible with the Optio 450, 550, 555, S, S4, 33WR, S40, S4i, 43WR, 750Z, S50, S5i, and X. Top reviews from the United States. Not a Pentax OEM cable, but still works. It works. My OEM cable no longer charged my camera, a Pentax WG3, the mini end that plugged into the camera had become distorted and no longer made its connection. This is not a Pentax, or Ricoh as they are now branded, cable. The title is a bit misleading that this a Pentax compatible and not a Pentax branded cable. But it does work fine, especially for $1. The shipping is more than the product. I am happy to be able to just need a cable to carry and not the battery charger pack to keep myself taking pictures.